In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Calendly. This is an incredibly useful feature for anyone who schedules appointments, consultations, or classes through Calendly and wishes to streamline the payment process. Whether you're a coach, a tutor, or provide any service that requires booking appointments, integrating payment solutions directly into your Calendly account can save you and your clients a lot of time. Let's begin by navigating to the Calendly homepage. You can do this by typing calendly.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll see several options, but what we're interested in is logging into our account. Locate the login button and click on it. Now, Calendly offers several ways to log in, but for simplicity and efficiency, let's go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in with your Google account, making the process swift and secure. You'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use, so click on the account you wish to continue with. After you've selected your Google account, you'll be asked to grant Calendly permission to access your Google Calendar. This step is crucial because it enables Calendly to check your availability and prevent double booking. Click on Continue to grant these permissions. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the heart of today's tutorial. Go to your Calendly dashboard by clicking on your profile or directly accessing the Calendly homepage where your scheduled events are listed. Your next step is to dive into the Integrations and Apps section. You can find this by looking for a section or tab labeled as such on your dashboard. This area is where Calendly houses all its integration options, including the payment solutions we're looking for. Speaking of payment solutions, Calendly supports two major payment gateways, Stripe and PayPal. The choice between Stripe or PayPal largely depends on your preference, the payment methods your clients are comfortable using, and the type of transactions you'll be processing. Both options have their merits, so let's explore how you can set up either one. If you decide Stripe is the way to go, simply click on the Stripe option within the Integrations and Apps section. Stripe is an excellent choice for those looking for a straightforward, secure way to accept credit card payments. Alternatively, if PayPal better suits your needs, you can click on the PayPal option. PayPal is widely used and trusted by consumers around the world, making it a great option if your clients prefer this method. For those of you opting for PayPal, the next step is to connect your Calendly to your PayPal account. Click on Connect with PayPal. You will be redirected to PayPal to log in and authorize the integration. This is a critical step as it links your PayPal account with Calendly, allowing your clients to pay for their appointments directly through the Calendly booking page. Now, with the integration complete, every time someone books an appointment with you through Calendly, they'll have the option to pay via the method you've set up. This not only streamlines the booking process, but also ensures that payments are processed securely and efficiently. Here are a couple of additional tips to make the most out of this feature. 1. Ensure your Calendly event types are clearly defined, so your clients know exactly what they're paying for. 2. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and settings of both Stripe and PayPal to understand the fees involved and how fund transfers work. Integrating a payment method with your Calendly account streamlines the scheduling and payment process, making it more convenient for you and your clients. Whether you choose Stripe, PayPal, or decide to switch between the two based on your needs, you're now equipped to accept payments directly through Calendly. By following these steps, you can enhance your professional services, ensuring a seamless booking and payment process for your clients. Remember, the key is to choose the integration that best suits your business model and your clients' preferences. Happy scheduling,